Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to extend or resize an image without stretching using Adobe Photoshop. So, without further ado, let's get started. I've already added the image that needs to resize. First, unlock the background layer by clicking on the lock toggle. Then, go to the toolbar and select the crop tool. Now, extend the background by holding the Alt key on the keyboard while dragging the crop handles outward. Now, click on the layer thumbnail by holding the Control key on the keyboard to create a selection of all the contents of that layer. Then, press Shift plus Control plus I keys on the keyboard to select the inverse of the selected objects. And then, go to Select option on the menu bar, choose Modify and select Expand. A small pop-up box will appear and you will require to provide the expansion value according to your preferences and click OK. Now, go to the Edit option on the menu bar and choose the Fill option. A small pop-up box will appear. Select the options as follows: Contents, Content Aware, tick on the Color Adaptation, Mode, Normal, Opacity 100%, and click OK. Now you will have achieved the desired image extension. If you notice that it added more duplicates and the expanded image has some dispensable parts, you can do some edits. You can select the Spot Healing Brush tool, change the hardness value to 0, and adjust the brush size accordingly. Now, brush on those dispensable points, and the software will do some retouching to make adjustments accordingly. You can experiment further and discover more techniques. Please comment below and we would love to hear your findings and comments. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.